welcome to Runaway Homestead. I'm Perry. If you haven't been here before, glad to have you along. Some of you saw a couple of weeks ago where I did a thing about my grapes having black rot, but I think I'm going to be able to salvage some of them and before it gets to all of them. So I'm going to give you a shot of how my grapevine looks down beside the garden. You can reach up under the netting.
Pick one. Like this. Is this one ready? Or this one?
See how it is. Pull it off.
Can I eat it?
Yes, absolutely.
This one's ready. I swallowed the seed.
That's okay. Some of them, this is called...
Can I eat it?
Yes. This is black rot. It makes them... They say it mummifies them like a mummy. It dries it all out. So, we're probably going to have to...
It's still juicy.
Yep. We are probably going to have
Nice.
to... That's okay.
There's seeds.
It's, yeah, there's seeds in it. So we'll probably have to cut this all down. Look at all the grapes down through here. I mean, they are everywhere. You can reach under it and get a grape if you want, but don't pull it out away from there. These grapes are all the way down through here. Yeah. You're bleeding grape juice.
No, seriously, I did start bleeding just earlier.
They are loaded. It's kind of hard to see with the sun behind them. Ellie Mae, what are you doing? What is it? Is there a mouse? Get it. Is there a mouse? What is it? I mean, these things are just loaded with grapes.
It's a biggie.
Okay. So, here comes my grandson Kyler with a basket. And we can probably put quite a few grapes in it.
Look, there's already the first one in there.
Sure makes that basket look awful big. I don't see a carrot.
Remember you put one in there?
But I don't see it.
Maybe it's down in there trying to go.
There's a melon down there. Look, and don't pick it up.
That one?
Yes, look over here. But don't pick them up.
And another one.
I don't want you to break them off the vine.
How much is there?
Rice. Don't go through there. Look what we got over here. We have a pumpkin.
I'll go down.
Oh, it's already off the vine. What happened? Oh no, that was a cantaloupe too. This is where the pumpkin should be.
Wait, but that looks a lot like a cantaloupe.
Yep.
So maybe we should pick it.
Yeah. Okay. Walk out of here safely, carefully. Mima said there were a couple of pumpkins, but...
Hey Bryce, come put that in the basket. I know we found cantaloupe.
Oh, I see over there. Okay. I'll come over there. Look in here. There's cherry tomatoes.
Look a little closer.
Good.
Dang, wait, where's my sunflower? That was extremely big.
Did you make it?